Good morning. I just got a call from the mechanic and they are at the car already. So they are going to be doing a comprehensive check on the car that we're about to purchase. And if everything goes well, then we should be able to pick it up tomorrow. Oh my God, we're so excited. So we can go to the national parks and up to Noosa and down to Byron. Oh my God, we're so excited. Always doing things that he's not supposed to be doing. Like, can I help you? Okay, so I just told the seller that the mechanic will be there and it's perfect, it's working out great. Hopefully by midday we'll have the report and we'll know exactly what condition the car is in, and also if anything is gonna wear out in the next couple of months if we continue driving it. Just so we're much more prepared because it is an older car. It is 2006. So yeah, she's got some miles on her. Just to make sure he's a menace to society. Nemo? What you looking for? What you looking for? Just want to look at the birds? So we just got an update from the seller that if all goes well, we can actually buy it today instead of tomorrow, which is amazing. He's already filled in the paperwork and there is the transport authority down near him. So we're just gonna already get ready to go. We should get the report or we should get the confirmation from the mechanic that everything's been done in the next half an hour or so. So we're already gonna head that way. And then hopefully half an hour after that, we'll get the report and that everything is okay and that we can just go purchase the car, take it down to the transport authorities, transfer it over to us. Yeah, we can have a car today. So exciting. So we're sitting at Pacific Fair now. We just paid for the mechanic's comprehensive check. We're just still waiting to get the report. We are, let me see, Uber.
Should we go get it?
Should we already order it?
Guess so.
So I had a brief call with the mechanic right after he did the check, and he said that mechanically it's all sound. There's just a few things that we need to make note of, and then of course he's made a note of them on the comprehensive report. So we just got to read that before we're going to purchase. But the seller has been really, really nice and is just telling us everything that we need to do. So hopefully we can get it today. Okay, we made it to the pickup spot. Do we have an Uber yet? Connecting you to your driver. Hello, pick up for Jasmine? Great, thank you. Okay, so we are by the seller's house and we are we're still waiting for the report. I just gave a call to the mechanics and they said they had a system outage and that's why we didn't get it in the half an hour that we were promised. They said that they're working on it now and we should get it in the next 10 to 15 minutes, so we're just waiting on that. And hopefully we're in time because the seller said that he has to go by a certain amount of time, so yeah, we're just sort of biding our time, but at least we got here early and then hopefully we can get it sorted and then drive back home. We bought a car! Oh my God, this is out! We've never owned a car. I don't have the, oh, do I have the key? Oh my God, we've never owned a car. We have the papers. We just have to go to the Queensland Transport or Queensland, wait, what is it called? The Department of Queensland Transport. Yeah, we have to go to the Queensland Department of Transport to change the car over to us. We're just going to fill in the details when we get there. And yeah, we paid him. Yeah, it's our car. We got the report back and there's a few things that they were saying they were quite sticklers for. Straight.
Which is straight?
Like that way is straight. Which we're not bothered about. We do need to get covers for the car, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I just made it to the transport authorities. Go get it transferred over. That's it. We're done. The car's ours. It's on my name. I own something. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, it was all done. She asked us a couple of questions that we just genuinely didn't have an idea on. She asked us, what was the question?
Like the insurance.
Oh. Wow, fancy. Oh yeah, so she asked us, I don't know, I don't really understand. There's some kind of insurance for the car, and then there's the comprehensive, which is like, I guess if you get into an accident or something. But the car's transferred over to me now, and yeah, isn't that crazy? We have a car. So far it's been really simple. It actually only really took us about a week. We, I think, messaged him, when did we message him? Monday, wasn't it?
Something like that.
Yeah, we found it Monday because the previous car we were going to go look at got sold on Monday, which was the one we were going to look at. Then that one got sold, so we messaged him, we found it on Monday, messaged him on Monday, got the check today, bought the car today. It's already been 5 days, isn't that crazy? Anyway, we're gonna head home, probably give her a bit of a clean, see about buying like just a sort of screen that goes there, so we have navigation and Bluetooth and things like that. And then we need seat covers for the car as well. Are we sticking with the name Mazzy?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What do you want to do?
Good
Magic key?
Huh?
Maze.
I love that. Mazikeen. Let's call that Maze. I love Maze. Oh, that's a really good name. Okay, cool. Nice.